Can you imagine that? Can you imagine making $25,000 a month when you're 12 and you're still at school? Kids today, there's a kid only just 5 minutes from where we're sitting right now, doing $25,000 a month right now, and he's 12. He's a student of ours. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine making $25,000 a month when you're 12 and you're still at school? That's US dollars. Products are being sold in America. They live in Australia. They're selling in America where they may have never been, to customers they'll never meet. They're sourcing from factories that don't even speak their language in a country they've probably never been to, and they're getting paid in US dollars, and they don't even touch the product anymore. When I was a kid, I was on a BMX bike riding around the suburbs, throwing newspapers out, getting swooped by Maggies and chased by dogs. That's how you made money.
We need to be able to teach these skill sets to allow Australians to be more competitive on a global stage. What do you think is the impact of not using these skill sets within the schools as a country, looking at a global context?
We are the envy of the world, right? In so many ways. There are literally billions of little kids in India and China, or maybe hundreds of millions, that are waking up today with parents saying, you can have a better life than we've had. Like, all parents around the world want their kids to have better than they've had. The difference is we now live in a world that's flat. So these kids are now going to have, in the order of hundreds of millions, access to knowledge at a price they can afford, and they have massive hunger, much hungrier than our kids in Australia will be. And it's not that our kids are fundamentally lazy, it's that our kids are fundamentally affected by the wealth. I mean, and it is, let's call it for what it is. It is extreme wealth in Australia. If you enjoyed that video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as well as the little bell that's somewhere on the screen here, so that you get instantly notified when we drop new videos. Thanks for watching, subscribe and hit the bell.